get her hair done?
She was gonna do it in the house.
In the house? Oh, okay. I was thinking I could probably take her if she's going to murder. This is the speed going down south. You'll be traveling like right like this. Widows with Viola Davis. It was good.
Did they have her fighting in that movie?
No.
Oh, okay.
I expected that, but no.
Because I was about to say she's too old to be in a movie like that.
They showed her with the exercise top on, where you see her back, and her back was cut up. Oh shucks! I got to get shocks in the back. Speaking of back, oh boy, new shocks in the back. That was ridiculous, and it's only gonna get worse. So yeah, I expected her to do some fighting, but not even the Sanchez. She ain't do nothing either, and she didn't have that look on her face like she's smelling doo-doo too much either. So that made it good. There was one part where I was cracking up where Viola put him into training. You know, with a backpack on, with weight in it, for them to go a certain distance running or jogging. And then Viola said, okay, now that bag was double the weight of it last time. And Sanchez said, why would you do that? You know? She said it smiling, but like bothered at the same time, like double the weight, and yeah, you can tell us.